What's up everyone? We are finally back from our month-long publishing break. If you're watching this video, you are among our most loyal subscribers, and I just wanted to say thank you for your patience and support as we took a month off to recharge. I wanted to film this quick video to update you on 3 exciting things that have happened and are happening in year 2 of Made with Lau. First off, we recently got to be a part of a really huge YouTube campaign resulting in a mini documentary on YouTube's very own YouTube channel, a heartfelt podcast interview with me and my parents on NPR, a feature on YouTube's website, and a handful of other really great interviews and articles that I'll link in our description. Also, as part of a separate campaign, if you search for YouTube in the iOS App Store or Google Play Store, at least in the US, you should see our video in one of the app screenshots, which is absolutely nuts. The video campaign kicked off in July when YouTube sent a huge crew to our house for 3 days to tell our story and journey with Made with Lau. It was really surreal to see a Hollywood-level production happening in our very own home, and a bit nerve-wracking being the star of the whole show. But all in all, the whole thing was and still is such a special experience to go through, and I could not have imagined that anything close to this would have happened just a year into launching our channel. All of the success and growth that we've had would absolutely not be possible without your support, so thank you so much. Secondly, with the success that we've started to see, I've been working on growing our team so that we can continue sharing our recipe videos and stories with you every week for years and years to come. This has actually been in the works since June, but having a month off without the pressure of producing a video every week gave me the space to actually start creating processes that revolve less around me and more around a team culture that's creative and fun and growth-minded. From what I've heard from creators transitioning from being solo to having a team, being able to trust other people to execute on a creative vision, not to mention the financial pressure to support our team and their families, can be pretty scary. And for me, it is a pretty scary step, but also really exciting because it allows us to create even better content and explore different stories and formats that I'll touch on part 3 of this video. Also, as a dad and husband, I definitely don't want my entire life to be consumed by filming and editing. I want to be present for my family, and I want to be able to enjoy life because life is short. So I think this is a step in the right direction, and I'm excited to see what we create together. So for our videos moving forward, you'll also have Arlene, Grace, Joanne, Nicole, and Willard to thank for working hard to make these videos possible. Thirdly, I'd love to get your feedback on new types of content that we're exploring. We're still gonna be producing at least 1 recipe video a week, so those videos aren't going anywhere. But as you know, almost all of our videos are at least 15 minutes long, and I feel like there are a lot of really exciting things we can do with shorter content, like what you'd see on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Not only do I have a lot of ideas for this, but my mom adorably also started writing a list of her own short video ideas. And I think between us, we maybe have 200 to 300 video ideas. Some of these include short cooking tips, or tips on how to buy things at grocery stores, or explaining how to use Chinese ingredients. Other ideas include highlighting who we are outside of the kitchen, like interviewing my parents, and more storytelling types of videos. So I have 2 questions for you. 1, what other ideas or types of short content would you like to see from us? And 2, if we're posting something like 2 to 3 shorts every day, would you prefer to see this on our existing channel or a new channel? If you could comment below with your thoughts and feedback, I would really appreciate it. To wrap up this video, I just wanted to say thank you for your support and give a special shout out to our Patreon community. You all help us continue this work of preserving a piece of Chinese heritage and cuisine, and we are truly blessed to be able to share our stories with you all. I am so excited to be back, and I cannot wait to share more with you in year 2 of Made with Lau and beyond. On behalf of the Lau family, thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts.